Welcome to Wisconsin Turkey Camp 2025 week. I believe it's 5. Second to the last weekend of the season. I've got tags for this weekend. Going to go out. It's a Thursday. Going to go out Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We have big storms coming in tonight. I've gotten up here mid-afternoon. Not going to go out tonight. But while working on a project 75 yards that way in the woods, some steps going down to the other side of the property, I come up here. It's a turkey walking through here. Now I don't know what it was. I did grab the gun and a call and kind of walk that way, but it took off flying, and they can run and fly quite for short distances at high speeds. We do have a security camera there, and over the last couple of months I had 2 hens up here. So it just walked up the trail here, walked through here, and I spotted here. It saw me and it took off. I'm not going to shoot a hen even if it's bearded, because that's killing off your herd. But turkey season, I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. We were up here last weekend and never heard a bird at all. So we shall see tomorrow morning. Get up bright and early and see if we can hear anything and try to set up on it. I had tags. If you watch that first turkey camp 2025 first weekend, they were close. They were within 75 yards of me, back off on in our woods here. And there's so many trees down from the ice storm. I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but every time I hit a call, they would gobble anytime a noise. There was 3, maybe 4. And then there was 2 hens that I would cluck and purr and do that, and then they would respond and the gobblers would respond, and those 2 got closer and then they just disappeared. So maybe tomorrow we can connect. I've bought a lot of turkey tags in the 2 years that the 2 springs that we've had this property. Just have not connected yet on it. Maybe tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday is the time I can bring one home. So we shall see in the morning. There's the tent there. We got light winds and it gets windy every now and then. Only bird I'm hearing is across the road, which is our property line. Other side of the road's not our property, but occasionally I hear a bird gobble. It's closer than what I know what he is, because the foliage has come in. So I'm going to sit on the edge of this hill here that our camp is on and see if I can get him to come across. It's the only bird in town, so I got to see what I can do. I've tried this before, but it's better than going back in and going to bed. At least I got to give it a try. Well, we gave it a good try this morning. Really nice morning. A lot of mosquitoes though. About an hour and a half. And that bird just kept getting farther and farther away. I'd call and wouldn't hear anything, and then it would shock gobble from cranes and crows and other noises, and it just kept farther and farther away. So we'll see what we can do tomorrow, because the conduciveness of the woods just does not allow an all-day hunt. It's getting windy. I don't have open fields that I can sit on the edge of that I know that they're going to strut in or feed. It's very thick pine forest, and that I've just not had success in trying to locate them at night. I don't think there's as many up here in my area that I had thought there was. It's not like you see on the TV, that's for sure. YouTube, you know, you walk in, boom, boom. And I know everything's different, but well, good morning. Stepped out of the tent this morning. Really windy. Didn't hear anything. Crows, I could hear a couple of crows and owls, but didn't make an attempt to set up on anything because I didn't hear anything, and it wasn't, just kind of discouraging this morning. So we will try again tomorrow. Last day for me for the 2025 turkey camp. Last morning for my hunt this year for 2025 turkey camp, Wisconsin. Light winds. You get a puff of hard wind every now and then. About 15 minutes after sunrise, and I've heard nothing. I've called, I hear crows in the distance calling. Kind of expected this. Had that biggest activity on that first week when I had those 3 or 4 gobblers in the woods and just wouldn't come to me, and I should have pressed harder to get in closer, but that's what happens. Turkey camp 2025, 0 again. Last year we didn't do so well, and this year, well, last year I had tags for the latter portion of the season, which can be a challenge. This year I had the first week tags and had turkeys within 100, probably 75 to 100 yards from me in the woods, thick pine forest. They wouldn't come. So I put this out I put this out to show that not all hunts are successful. You can go on YouTube and find hundreds and thousands of hunters walking in, boom, there's a turkey, greatest hunt of my life type story. So that's just the way it goes. Certainly appreciate you tuning in, and we'll try again next year and see if things are different. This has been Turkey Camp 2025 in the Northwoods of Wisconsin.